Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome. And today I have a little project. It's pretty simple. It's a no-sew little fabric pouch. My cousin needed something to keep her earbuds in her purse, so I'm creating her a little pouch. So here we go. Alrighty, so the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come up with a pattern. So I basically just folded a piece of paper in half and kind of just wing it from there, basically. Just try and, I guess, basically play with the paper. Oh, see, like, this is more like it. I should have done this first. Okay, so this will basically be the pattern, kind of like this, except I'm going to cut this, like, in half, because I don't need it that big. Like I said, it's for her earbuds. It doesn't need to be that big. So we're just going to use this as the pattern, and then all I need to do is I'm just going to use this candy fabric. Hopefully, hopefully that'll be okay. But I'm basically just going to use this candy fabric to get my piece of fabric off of. Now I should have like pins or something, but I wasn't that prepared, so we're gonna have to wing it a little bit. Just, just a tad, because I did not bring any pins or anything with me to cut this out. So I'm going to weird angle cutting this here. So just, when you have your pattern, cut it out from your fabric. Alrighty, once that is done, I am next going to wait for my hot glue gun to warm up. Okay, so then once the hot glue gun is all warmed up, you're going to get your hot glue safe space, and then I am going to put some hot glue along the top to fold it over and make it look neater. That is the plan for that. Just gonna put some hot glue there. Carefully, not to burn the fingers would be nice. Alrighty. Oops, and I missed some spaces. Because of course I did. Alrighty. Once that is good to go, you then want to take the fabric, turn it right sides, and then put right sides together for basically as big as you want the pouch. And then we are going to glue the sides. Alright, then once these sides are all glued, you're just going to let that dry for a little bit. Okay, so once we let it dry for a little bit, we're just going to turn it right side out. And then to make things a little more even, we are going to glue the sides of the pouch. Just to glue the edges down, make it a little bit more neater looking. And then the last thing we're going to do is add some Velcro. I just have some Velcro right here. We're going to take a piece of the one side and cut it off, and then take around the same amount from the other side. Probably should hot glue the soft ones down first. There we go. And then figure out where it will lay. Round right here. Right, and then you're just gonna let them dry. Alrighty, and then once it's dry, you are good to go. You have then created a cute little pouch, and I will be giving this to my cousin because, as I said before, she needs somewhere to put her earbuds. So there we go, all done. So that is how I created the little pouch. Hopefully it was easy enough and easy to follow. The only thing, like I said, instead of sewing it, we are using hot glue. So be careful, hot glue is hot. But that is all for this video. So thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!